In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel for real estate leads. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to bring your real estate lead list into GoHighLevel so you can begin organizing conversations and follow-ups right away. Start by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard and make sure you're in the correct location for your real estate account. On the left side menu, click Contacts. This is where all of your people will live once they're imported. Next, choose Import. GoHighLevel will ask which type of data you're bringing in. Select Contacts, since we're importing people, not opportunities or other objects, and then click Next. You'll now upload your file. You can click to browse or just drag and drop. A simple CSV works best, and it helps if your file already has clear headers like first name, last name, email, phone, and lead source. If you have a lot of entries, quickly scan for duplicates or obvious formatting issues before you upload to save cleanup time later. Choose your real estate leads file from your computer and open it. When the file finishes uploading, click Next to continue. You'll land on the column mapping screen. Here's where you tell GoHighLevel which column in your file matches which field in the CRM. If GoHighLevel recognizes a header, it will map it automatically. Review each line. Make sure names, emails, phone numbers, and any key details are pointed to the correct fields. For any column you don't want to bring into the CRM, set it to Don't Import. Keeping only what you need will make your database cleaner and your filters more useful down the road. When everything looks right, click Next. Before the import starts, you'll see a consent confirmation. Check the box to confirm the contacts have agreed to hear from you, that you've communicated with them within the past year, and that this list isn't purchased from a third party. This keeps your account compliant with email and SMS regulations and protects your deliverability. With that confirmed, click Start Import. GoHighLevel will process the file. Large lists can take a few moments. When you get the success message, click Go to Contacts Now. You should see your new real estate leads in the list. Spot check a few records to verify fields mapped as expected and that phone numbers and emails look right. That's the complete process for importing real estate leads into GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching, and great job setting up a clean, compliant contact list you can start working right away.